Hi everybody, welcome to Parks and Pizza. I just got home from work, I'm starving, I need a quick meal. So today we're gonna continue with our Rayo's series, and this one is Rayo's Chicken Alfredo. I'm gonna bake this in the oven at 400 degrees. It says between 30 and 35 minutes, and I'll be back in 35 minutes and we'll review it and talk about it. Okay, this is what it looks like. Give you a close-up here. It's pasta with chicken Alfredo sauce. There's chicken in there, some kind of macaroni pasta. You move this around. Smells good. I have to say, it's not a big portion. Okay, if you're a big guy, you can have 2 of these, no problem. Let's do another close-up. So here's another close-up. Got some chicken and these kind of like macaroni pasta, chicken. It smells really good. Now let's see, let's check the taste. Alright, so here's the chicken, pasta. I'm gonna give it a taste. Let's try this thing out. Let's do a piece of chicken first. It's good, it's very tasty. It's pasta. It's good. I baked it, I didn't microwave it. Pasta, chicken. Tastes very good. It's not heavy on the sauce. It's not sauce heavy. So if you're concerned about the sauce, don't be. It's not heavy on the sauce at all. But it still manages to taste good. So it doesn't taste frozen at all. Very good. I would rate this 4.5 out of 5 stars. This is my second Rayo frozen meal review. The first one was the meatballs in marinara sauce. That was 5 out of 5. This is 4.5 out of 5. I'm gonna do lasagna tomorrow. Rayo's lasagna video review. I'm gonna do Rayo's chicken parmesan review. So stay tuned. Check back check back with me for more of the famous Rayo's reviews. As always, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.